See, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This looks good. Who is she for real? Like, what is up? If you're new to my channel, my name is AshecaLee, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. So in today's video, we will be achieving this beautiful burnt orange hair. This is giving fall and it's giving winter vibes. Like, it's just giving everything that it needs to give. Like, I feel like I understood the assignment, and if you agree, then you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, girl, because I absolutely love the way that this hair turned out, you guys. I am just obsessed with this orange look. I haven't done like color in such a really long time, and it's just speaking to me right now, and I'm really happy that I actually went through with this color. So yeah, if y'all are interested in seeing how I installed this hair, how I got this color and everything, my styling process, and also this outfit that I'm wearing, then definitely keep on watching. My cap looks really good. Like, it matches really well. All right, y'all, so here is the wig after it was colored. I just had to tone it down a little bit just because I just felt like it was so bright, and I'm just not a bright colored girl anymore. So I definitely like the way that this looks a lot better. I feel like this is more so in my, you know, element. It's actually been a really long time since I've done like color. I know you guys just seen me post that blonde hair color, but it was, I don't remember the last time like I had colored wigs installed on my head besides the blonde and now this. So it's been a minute. Right now all I'm doing is just applying the foundation on the lace, and then I just sprayed some Got2b on it so that it just doesn't rub off and that the glue can still stick. So my cap is already on, and we are about to put this wig on just to see what it's looking like. Okay, and I think I'm going to do a middle part with curls. So this wig actually has a band on the inside of it, which I really like. It's like really snug on my head. I could actually wear it glueless if I wanted to, which I think I might. No, I think I'm just gonna use like one layer of glue or maybe 2 layers, and we're gonna call it a day because I do not plan on having this wig on for a really long time. So yeah, I mean, it's a waste of a good wig cap melt, but whatever. Oh wait, let me get a we're going to apply our glue on, and then we're going to use our popsicle stick. Y'all know the drill with this. This is like my thing. We're just going to smear it all around our hairline. So let's talk about outfit. I really wanted to wear these white boots that I had got from Pretty Little Thing, but I didn't have like a set outfit in mind for the white boots. I just know that I wanted some white boots, so I got the white boots, and I absolutely love them. They fit really nice, and it just looks really it just looks nice on my feet. So I got the white boots, and I also had like another set that I could have worn tonight, but I didn't really have like an idea, like a picture, like a vision in mind until maybe like 30 minutes ago. So I think I'm going to wear a white bodysuit because I feel like white complements orange really well as green, olive green. I feel like they complement each other, kind of like what I'm wearing. So we're gonna do something with the white and green mixture. We're gonna cross our fingers and hope that, you know, everything just looks really nice. So I actually did want to use a new product with this install. I wanted to try the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I got this at my beauty supply store, and I was actually really surprised that they had it in there. So I definitely want to try this product, but I don't know if I should use it. Oh, maybe I could like layer it. It smells like, wow, that just gave me like a flashback of my childhood, I think. It smells like something. It kind of smells like a cleaning product. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to just stick with the bold hold because I'm going out, you know, like I don't want to try nothing new when I'm going out. So we're gonna try that with maybe like on another day when I'm not really in a rush, or when I can sit and actually pay attention to the product and like, you know, try my best and all of that. But because I'm comfortable with using the bold hold lace glue, I'm just gonna use this tonight. So look out for that video. I will be trying out their liquid gold and also the lace jelly. So if you want that video, then leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up so that I know. And everything is nice and smeared out. I'm definitely gonna have to go back in some parts and add more glue because I can just tell that I'm like missing some areas. All right, so now we're going to pull this wig down. Okay, and then we're just going to cut the excess lace off, the ear tabs part. I'm gonna go ahead and make my part. Like I said, I'm doing a middle part with curls. I did want to do a side part, but I'm not too sure right now. I think right now, like, I really just want to do a middle part. I'm a middle part girl, and I'm a side part girl when that's the assignment, okay? But I think tonight with what I'm wearing, that's just not the assignment. So we're not gonna do that. Okay, it's heating up. Ouch, I feel it, it's hot. Okay, and I definitely did not comb this wig out. So I guess we can do that too. We're getting somewhere. Right, so now that that is done, and I like to part my parts before I do my baby hairs and stuff, just because it makes me know where to put my baby hairs. Like, I don't want to put my baby hair here and here and my part is crooked. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know, it makes sense to me in my head. So now we're just gonna cut the rest of that lace off. Alright, so now we are going to apply glue in the areas that we missed. Wow. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This looks good. Alright, so now we are going to take care of the lace color situation because we do not need them type of problems, honey. We're going to take care of it as best as we can. Right now, I'm just plucking some of this hair out because the hairline is just a little too thick for my liking. I want everything to look natural, even though, like, come on. Y'all know I didn't grow orange hair out from my scalp, but like, I'm here to fool people. I want, obviously you know, but it's just like, sis, do you really know? Like, are you sure? Like, you have to come up close to see if I'm lying or not. I want to be able to tell you, like, yeah, I was born with orange hair, and you actually believe me because of how it looks. Like, you cannot find the lace. That is exactly what I want. They don't skip any steps with doing colored hair, because if anything, when you have colored hair, it shows up more. So all the little imperfections shows up way more, other than when you install like black hair and stuff. So Now I'm going to just part out a piece of my hair from the back, and we're going to curl our hair. And I'm just gonna speed this process up because it's nothing special. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, my hair is done curling. The curls look really cute. I'm sure they'll look even better once they are combed out. Right now I'm just gonna hurry up and do my makeup, and I will see you guys once my makeup is done. I'm ready. Alright loves, so that pretty much completes this video. As you guys can see, the hair is complete, honey. Oh my goodness y'all, I am loving this orange. It just, I don't know, it's just giving everything that it needs to give. And I just, yes, I am definitely obsessed with this hair, you guys. Like, who is she? Who is she for real? Like, so outfit is on and everything. I am wearing this white bodysuit from my outfit online. I absolutely love it. It is super comfy, and the material of it is beautiful. Like, it's very thick. It is nice. One of the issues that I have with like bodysuits or just like long sleeve anything is the wrist part. It just doesn't come all the way down. I like my wrists to be covered, and I have like long arms in a way, so my sleeves never like reach past my wrist, and this definitely does. Like, sometimes they'll stop like right here, and this bothers me so much because then it makes my hands look so long because my fingers are already so long. It's a thing, okay? It's a thing. Absolutely love the material of this bodysuit. It is really thick and it's definitely not see-through. You don't even need a bra with this because on the inside of the bodysuit it has like that grip material, so it kind of like sticks to your skin. It kind of just like holds everything up. It's very supportive, and it definitely, you know, you'll be okay. I also have on these green leather pants, and I kind of wish I hadn't worn the boots because it kind of covered up the details and a split hem on the pants, but that's okay. Everything just pairs together really nicely. For fragrance tonight, I paired 2 perfumes. I definitely am a mixer when it comes to perfumes. I like to mix my perfumes just because I feel like, you know, you just can't get enough of just one scent. You kind of want to, like, I don't know. You kind of know what fragrances mix together really nicely. So I mixed the Greenwich Village NYC Bond No. 9 perfume. Between this and my Tom Ford Bitter Peach, they are one of my most expensive perfumes. This was over $300, you guys. I actually want to get about 2 more of them. I have my eyes on 2 more, but the way the price is looking, honey, it's gonna be for a special occasion, so we don't have to wait a little while. Last all night. And then I mixed it with my YSL Black Opium. Y'all know about this. I feel like you should. This is like a very popular perfume, and I feel like these two mixed together is just bomb. I'm actually running out, so I have to re-up. I think I'm gonna get the bigger version this time. I got a smaller version for like traveling. I was going somewhere and I just wanted this like ASAP, and this was all they had. So I'm definitely gonna re-up and get the bigger size, and this is definitely a goodie. So y'all know the drill. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, then just check the description box down below for their information and the links to this wig and their website. You will find everything that you need right there. So make sure y'all check that out and go ahead and purchase this bomb wig, because y'all, this looks so good, and I'm just like, I'm obsessed. I didn't have to do anything like too extra with the wig. I mean, I did recolor it. I just dipped it maybe once or twice just to make the orange just a little bit darker, but I mean, it came orange, so it's not like I had to bleach the hair from black to blonde and then color it orange. The hair was already colored, so you know there's not much that I had to do. Leave a comment down below, and before we go, today's motivational quote is, if God is for you, it doesn't matter who is against you. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.